We are doing a world first challenge where we'll be visiting every single Disney park across the world and staying in every single Disney hotel back to back. Leg 1 took us to Disneyland Paris, leg 2 took us to Hong Kong Disneyland, leg 3 took us to Shanghai, leg 4 took us to Tokyo. It's time to leave Tokyo and start leg 5 of our journey, which takes us from here in Tokyo to Hawaii. So let's go. Aloha from Hawaii. So I've wanted to say that for a very, very long time. But we are here at Disney's AULANI Resort, and this is the first time we have ever been here. And also, we don't know anything about this resort. So we're going to give you our honest and unfiltered opinion on what it's like. But honestly, the exterior is actually beautiful.
So AULANI is very tropical and it is very big. It's a lot bigger than I anticipated, but it does have a man-made lagoon, which I didn't know. Now I do. It's time to go inside and have a look around.
Oh, it's very Hawaiian.
The exterior and interior match. They're both beautiful inside, but this guy stole the show. Just look at him. But over to you, Chloe.
Aloha, our room is ready and we are room 621, so let's have a look.
Two things when I come into this room. One, it's very dark in here. I don't know if that's the feel that was going, or maybe it's because of we've got no light coming inside, but there's no main light. I've got a nice little fan that's spinning above me, make sure I don't get chop my finger off. And second thing is the beds are really, really tall. They're like 3 foot high, and I'm like 6'2", and it comes up to my waist. It's like the tallest bed I've ever seen. So the first thing that welcomes us is a towel Mickey Mouse with a flower. It's a hair clip. Hold up. Suit me?
There's honestly so much floor space in here, you can even have your own personal surfboard session. There's no place I'd rather be than his surfing in AULANI. Jay's made me do that because he can't balance on an ironing board.
And the only Disney feature that I can see in this room is this little Mickey Mouse light that I may or not have broken. I'm not sure if it moves.
Hey everybody, it's me, Mickey Mouse.
But that is the only Disney feature in here. Nice big TV. In here is a, whoa, that's a bloody big fridge. Big fridge with nothing in it. You get plenty of drawer space. Like there's so many drawers. And then over here you have a coffee machine, coffee cups. And you know what? How hard is it for any of the resorts so far to have a biscuit? I just want a biscuit. I just want a biscuit with my tea at night. None of them have biscuits. This is the bathroom. The bathroom is a pretty good size. I'm going to be very honest. It's a bathroom. It does what it needs to do. It has a shower bath, and that is a very big bath, by the way. Like, that is a very, very large bath. That is perfect for me to lay down in and stretch out. I'm happy with that. That's the biggest bath I've had. And I don't even have baths. I don't know why I like them so much. The first time I had a bath was probably when I was in Hong Kong. That's the first time I had one in probably about 2 years. Anyway, that's irrelevant. Yeah, standard bathroom. So I've been designated to do the bed test because Chloe's a midget and she can't really do it. And I'll be honest, it's like doing high jump. Oh my God, and it is. Oh, that is the best bed I've slept on so far. So we have just come from Tokyo, and Tokyo is 19 hours in front of Hawaii. So we have just done 2 Tuesdays in a row. So we left on Tuesday and now we have arrived in Tuesday morning. So basically we've got to do that day all over again. So we're extremely jet lagged. So we're gonna have a quick nap. See you in a second. Boom! Oh, that was a much needed 2 hours sleep. But now, let's get up and explore.
And of course, the first place we were going to go was to the shops. They had loads of AULANI and Hawaiian themed merch. I love this ukulele. And it's time to fill up our basket because we was getting hungry. And at AULANI, there is multiple restaurants to choose from, but they all seem to be fully booked, apart from one, the quick service restaurant.
I thought this would be all inclusive, but I'm clearly wrong. It is pay as you go, so we're going to be spending an absolute fortune. So 2 chicken tenders meals, 1 kids, 1 adults, and a chicken Caesar salad, $60. Wow, but they are good though.
And after one of the most expensive lunches I've ever had, it was time to head over to the man-made beach where we built some sand castles and write AULANI in the sand. She had a good time, but the water was absolutely freezing. So I've just been speaking to a cast member and they said there is a turtle on Paradise Cove. So we're gonna head over there now and have a look. But I have to say, this is one of the most nicest beaches I've seen.
But from what I can see so far, there's just one turtle sitting on the rocks over there. So I'm going to try and get a little bit closer. And there is a giant sea turtle. I don't know if it's sea or a green turtle. I don't know if there's any difference.
Whoa, dude, Mr. Turtle is my father. Name's Crush.
After meeting Crush, it was time to head back.
Okay, time to do some fish feeding.
So one of the activities you can do in Aulani is fish feeding. It's about $8 per person and it's at the Rainbow Reef and it lasts around 15 minutes. Is it worth $8? Probably not, but it was a good experience.
Okay, time to find a snack, and honestly I don't know where to look, but I see a lot of people walking around with these Dole Whips that look like Mickey Mouse, or it might be shaved ice, one of them.
So you can get shaved ice and ice cream, and you can get multiple different flavor syrups to squirt all over it.
So we went with some shaved ice, so $8 for this, so it's basically ice and some syrup. We went with a strawberry, banana, and bubble gum, and the yellow makes it rainbow, but I'm gonna try it. Whoa. Bubblegum's actually pretty good. Time to meet our first characters of the trip.
And there's only one character we're meeting, and that is Stitch, but we only got one photo. I don't get it. The whole experience just seems so rushed, but Angel was next, and we did get some more photos on this one. We got 1, 2, 3, 4 photos.
That has got to be the world's quickest character interaction we have ever had. Like, we queued about 30 minutes for it, and we got like, not even 30 seconds.
But to make up for that, I did see Max and gave him a high five, so I'm happy.
Okay, it's time to go swimming.
And after a photo shoot in the pool, it's time to head onto the Levy River, and Chloe is having the time of her life.
Swim, swim.
But me on the other hand, not so much, so I'm leaving these lot behind.
Time to test out the water slides. Here we go. Whoa. Yeah! Oh god. Oh god. Oh.
And next up was time to head over to the Rainbow Reef to do some snorkeling, and yes, it is an additional charge again.
Just keep swimming, just keep swimming.
That was incredible. Like, that's like $30 just for like the whole day, or $50 for your entire stay. So worth it.
And our time in Aulani has finally come to an end, and we've got a real mix of emotions towards it. On the positive side, for me, is that it is actually quite a beautiful resort. The location overlooking the sea is really beautiful. I really enjoyed the fish swimming as well. I thought that was really good, although that's an additional charge. And I'm really struggling to think of any more positives. As for the negatives, for me, it's just very expensive, very overcrowded, and probably very overhyped. I'm pretty sure you're on par, aren't you?
Yeah, I agree with the positives. It's a beautiful resort, but the price tag you pay for it for a Disney resort, it's not worth it, in my opinion.
No, we paid $3,000 to stay here for 3 nights, which is extortionate. Give you £5 for an apple, guys.
There's not enough... What's the word?
Disney.
There's not enough Disney here for me to justify the price tag. The most that you can meet the characters, which have got an extortionate queues, considering it's low season as well.
We met Stitch. We got rushed to meet Stitch. 30 seconds, not even 30 seconds meet, and we queued 30 minutes. And that was just pretty much everybody. Every character is very similar.
And apart from that, that's it really. It's just like a normal sort of holiday resort.
If you come in,
if you're coming purely for a Disney vacation, you're going to be disappointed.
Yeah, and if you're purely just coming here to stay in Aulani, I might maybe just stay here for 1 night and go somewhere else. So yeah, we won't be coming back. Try not to be miserable, but there was some positives, but there was just quite a few negatives for us.
Just being honest.
We are just being honest. And that is another hotel ticked off of our list, and we'll be putting Aulani at a number 3. But on to the next one. Bye from me.
See you soon.